I'm Joe Riley, president of the board of St. Vincent de Paul in Phoenix. A young college student named Frederick Ozanam founded the Society of St. Vincent de Paul in Paris in 1833. He dreamed of embracing the world in a network of charity. His vision became a beautiful reality, and today the Society is active in 145 countries. Yet its mission remains the same: to serve the poor and provide others with the opportunity to serve.
Begun 64 years ago, today our council is the largest St. Vincent de Paul operation in the United States, meeting the critical needs of struggling families and individuals throughout central and northern Arizona. St. Vincent de Paul is one of the only organizations providing comprehensive services that help people become self-sufficient while securing them with the safety net of hope. We work to discover the root cause of each individual's situation and his or her abilities and aspirations. The objective is to help each individual become the productive, self-sustaining person he or she wants to be.
When I first meet a family, I try to make them feel comfortable. I make them feel welcomed, and then I reassure them that we're here to assist them in any way that we can with our resources. When people come in to ask us for help, they're very discouraged, embarrassed, and scared. We offer many integrated services here at St. Vincent de Paul, such as job development, transportation, clothing, food boxes, and we help keep families afloat who join our job program by assisting them with rent and utilities. Besides material goods, we restore their dignity and their hope.
Hunger is often the most immediate need a person has and is frequently our introduction to that person.
Our kitchen prepares 3,500 meals each and every day, from which we provide hot meals to our 5 dining rooms. We do not ask any questions when a person comes into our dining rooms. They're allowed to come and have a hot meal with us. We greet them, we welcome them. We actually have so many wonderful resources within our society. We can direct them to get family assistance ministries, the help that they may need to stay in their homes, to pay the utility bills.
Home visits are the cornerstone of St. Vincent de Paul's help for families.
We have over 90 conferences within the central and northern Arizona. And throughout these conferences, we have over 3,500 Vincentian volunteer members.
We actually go to the apartment or to the home of the individual and do a home visit.
A home visit means that we go take a food box and sit down with the family and find out what it is that's going on in their lives. Why is it that they got to this point that they're needing assistance?
The individual that we're visiting, we just feel that one of the things we bring is not just a food box and assistance, whether it be rental or utility or other things. We feel like we bring them dignity, we bring them compassion.
Last year, through our home visits, we helped out or delivered over 250,000 food boxes. And also, we helped and aid with over $8 million in direct aid, dealing with food, rent, utilities, bus fares, school uniforms, and prescriptions.
Good physical and oral health is essential for a happy, productive, self-sufficient life.
We see patients that come to our clinic who are people who are working, but they're working at low-paying jobs. These are people that work hard, they don't have any insurance, they don't have any eligibility for access because they work enough that they make too much. We see mostly really bad chronic illnesses, lots of diabetes, lots of hypertension. Many times we find that the dental and the medical clinics are working together because the dental clinic may find a patient with diabetes who didn't know that they had diabetes. So then, of course, they're referred to us. and we take care from there. I think a lot of times people feel that this is the last resort. But once they come in, I think they also realize that this is not a desperation clinic. This is a hopeful clinic. We get you back on your feet. We get you taught about your illness.
The homeless need more than just a place to live. They need dignity and self-worth. For many, Ozanam Manor is a safe place to call home.
Ozanam Manor is unique in Arizona. It's the only shelter that serves people with emotional and physical disabilities and older people who are homeless. Our residents come from very diverse backgrounds in terms of social, economic status. People don't just come into Ozanam Manor for a place to sleep and some meals. They apply to the program and they demonstrate a desire to leave homelessness. Another thing that really adds to it is the mentoring program. These are caring volunteers who've been successful in life and have developed wisdom. They transfer skills, and they also help people get their dignity and respect, self-respect back, because that is something that people lose when they become homeless. Ozanam Manor really transforms lives.
Most people recognize our trucks when they're out picking up in-kind donations. These contributions create a great value that never goes to waste.
Our thrift stores are important in two very different ways. First of all, they act as a distribution point where we can give away household items, clothing, shoes for free to families and individuals in need. And then secondly, through the sales of these donated items, the profits that are generated, we actually use those to fund our other programs and services. In Phoenix, we have 8 thrift stores. We also have thrift stores outside of Phoenix in cities like Flagstaff, like Havasu City, Kingman, Mayer. Things that we can't use in our stores, we sell to recyclers. So really nothing ever goes to waste of the things that people give to us.
The many facets of St. Vincent de Paul's unique services are integrated to provide individuals and families with the best chance to overcome their challenges and transform their lives.
Just to witness this God's miracle. It's just a miracle when I see so many wonderful things happening that transform the lives of those that we're serving.
And just by them helping you, it's like, well, maybe I am worth something if they're going to go all this trouble to help me.
I'm just so grateful to Ozanam Manor, the staff, because they did literally save my life.